At Peaks Hotel, the fire's alive under open skies where the flavors rise. The chef at work with skill and grace, turning fresh ingredients into a warm embrace. Feel the fresh air on your skin, man, Kenya's breeze calling you in. Every moment calm and free, this is how dining's meant to be. Taste the mountain in every bite. Peaks Hotel, hearts burning bright. From the grill to the starlit view, every little moment's made free. Peaks Hotel, where the fire stays true. Plates arrive like painted art, smoke and spice warm in the heart. Laughter drifting through the night, faces glowing in the amber light. Feel the fresh air on your skin, my Kenya's breeze calling you in. Every moment calm and free, this is how dining's meant to be. Taste the mountain in air.